Hello friends, in this particular video we will see the judiciary in the Constitution of Croatia. Constitutional Court. There are 13 judges in Constitutional Court. The term of the judge would be 8 years. The judges are elected by a 2/3 majority by the deputies of Croatian Parliament. Judges are elected from notable jurists, public prosecutors, attorneys, judges of courts and university law professors. Judges of Supreme Court would elect a president amongst themselves who has a term of 4 years. Now what this court does? This court would decide on the conformity of laws with the Constitution. This court decides on the constitutional complaints against the individual decisions of government bodies of local and regional self-government and legal entities with public authority. This court decides on the conflict of jurisdiction between legislative, executive and judicial branch. This court supervises the constitutionality and legality of the elections and national referendum. Now there is a National Judicial Council. Now what this council is for? This council is an independent and autonomous body which shall provide for and guarantee independence and autonomy of courts and judges. This council has 11 members. The term of the members is 4 years. Now how are they selected? 7 shall be judges, 2 university professor of law, then 2 members of parliament. Now what this National Judicial Council does? This council is responsible for appointment and dismissal of judges in accordance with the Constitution, except in the case of Chief Justice of Supreme Court of the Republic of Croatia. This council participates in the training and development of judges and other judicial personnel. This council would take decisions in an impartial manner on the basis of the criteria set forth by law. Now let's see the court composition. Ordinary courts, municipal courts, county courts. Now specialized courts, commercial courts, administrative court, misdemeanor court, high misdemeanor court, high commercial court, high administrative court. Now Supreme Court. This is the highest court of law in the Republic of Croatia. This court ensures uniform application of laws and equality of all before the law. The President of the Supreme Court is appointed and relieved from the duty by the Croatian Parliament at the proposal of the President of Republic of Croatia with prior opinion of the General Session of the Supreme Court and the authorized committee of the Croatian Parliament. So friend, this was the judiciary which is mentioned in the Constitution of Croatia. In our next video, we will see what are the other features in the Constitution of Croatia. Thank you.